Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
So good.
Okay, Maddie, what gloss are you wearing today?
So I have a little, it's technically not a gloss. It's a lip stain. That
Okay.
viral TikTok peel off lip stain that I'm sure everyone has
Yes.
seen all over their For You page.
One of those.
One of those in the shade Inked. And then once
Okay.
I took that stain off, I just put my clear Summer Fridays vanilla butter balm.
Okay. So I had not tried that until I got it at a Christmas party just a couple weeks ago, or even, yeah, it was just a couple weeks ago. Has not left my hand.
Yeah, no, I love them Summer Fridays. What about
So
yours?
good.
What's yours?
Old Faithful, the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in shade Pearl, and it is so pretty. I mean, it's just a pearl gloss, literally
Yeah.
no color to it at all, pure diamonds. That's
Oh,
literally what it looks like in here.
love the shine. Love, love, love the shine. Why do they call it a lifter gloss? Does it plump?
Hyaluronic acid in here, baby. Huddle up, hotties. We are back with another episode. Merry Christmas. Maddie, what are your plans for this Christmas? What are you going to do?
Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, I'll be going to my parents' house. They live very close to me, actually, like 45 minutes north. So easy drive. We'll spend Christmas Eve there. My sister-in-law, my brother's wife, her birthday is on Christmas Eve also. So it's like a joint
Oh, that's fun.
celebration. Yeah. Nah, is it though? Is it not so much? I mean, when your birthday's on Christmas and no one really cares about it. So we'll be doing a joint celebration for her birthday and Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day usually is very chill family. We'll be definitely watching football. We'll be eating a lot of food. I'll be bringing food as well. And then I'll be coming back down to Dallas because I work the day after Christmas.
Do you have any fun like
I
traditions that
know.
you do with your fam?
I wouldn't say specific traditions. Christmas Eve is when we usually do our big dinner, all of us.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we always play games. We're a big game family. Games and Christmas
Yes.
movies. Christmas morning, we always wake up and do our gifts and then make a big breakfast. And then for the rest of the day, we just play games, watch movies, nap,
Love that.
play with our new things,
Yes.
hang out with each other. And then that's usually just a wrap. It's just those 2 days. I do remember
love
as a
that.
kid, our favorite tradition was, have you ever heard of the pickle ornament that you put on the tree? The German pickle.
No.
There's this whole thing
No.
about, it's a German tradition. There's this glass pickle ornament and someone each year hides it on the tree somewhere. No one can
Okay.
see where it is. And then the morning they come down, you look for the pickle in the tree. Whoever finds the pickle gets a special gift off to the side. So we used to do that
That's
as kids,
so
and that was really fun.
cute.
Yeah, and I still
Oh my
have the
gosh,
pickle
maybe
ornament.
I should implement that.
It's
Maybe
really
I should
fun.
implement that. That's fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
I
What are you
like
doing
that.
for Christmas?
Christmas Eve, we go to the in-laws for lunch, and we do like white elephant. So, and I
okay.
love that. We do a white elephant over there. And then Christmas morning, we do my family. We always do a breakfast. My grandfather makes the best biscuits and gravy. He makes the best gravy. Best sausage gravy in the entire world.
I'm gonna need some of that.
Obviously, I will mail it. Obviously, lots of football will be on. We are also the family that does the like each person opens one gift at a time and we all watch. We also do that. It's not a free for all. It's not chaos and anarchy.
Thank you.
One
Thank
gift
you.
at a time. As the proper way. That is the proper way to open gifts.
Thank you. It is one at a time. Thank you so much. One
at a
person
time.
plays Santa, and then you pass around one by one, and then everyone opens one by one. I cannot do the everyone opening at the same time. I'm overstimulated.
Oh, so overstimulated. And then we are also big game family. So we will do bingo, poker, big poker. So everybody, and my grandfather cleans everybody out on Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever it is. Big poker family.
I love that. Okay, love
Yeah.
that tradition. Poker, getting into it. I'm like, ours are like random little card games or theme games or board games or things like that, and you're over here doing hardcore poker.
Besides Christmas, we have a lot to talk about in this episode and this coming week. We are very excited for it.
Yeah.
Although, unfortunately, Maddie does need grief counseling again.
I really do. I'm so sad. As you can see, I'm wearing black again because I am in mourning again.
This is a safe space for you, Maddie.
Thank you. I appreciate it because not everywhere right now is. Okay. The Packers-Bears game on Saturday night. Jenna, you were discussing with me mostly in real time. I was so happy. I was on my high horse. I was loving the vibes. I went to a local pub here in Dallas, Blackfriar. If you're a Packers fan in Dallas, that is the local place to be. With a great big group of people. We were having a great time. Go Pack Go chants, Bears still suck chants, everyone talking and chatting and laughing and hugging and high-fiving, and it was the best time ever. But in typical Packers fashion, we absolutely blew it at the end. We beat ourselves. This is why I cannot give Chicago literally any credit at all. Because you did not earn that win. You beat our backups, and our backups beat ourselves. You tried to kill our quarterback twice at Austin Booker. Okay. Luckily, our backup quarterback is also incredible, and Malik Willis plays so well.
Chef's kiss.
But you also sabotaged. You also sabotaged us because our heaters weren't working on our side of the field,
That was the
on our
Pope.
sidelines. Pope Leo, you're really pissing me off.
That was the Pope.
Pope Leo, you're pissing me off. Okay.
Did
The
you
heater's
actually
not
see,
working.
Maddie? I wanted to send this to you because this is exactly why the heaters weren't working.
Oh,
I wanted to.
I'd
Send
love
this
to
you.
see
Yeah.
it. That just
don't
felt like
worry.
a very
I have it.
calculated sabotage move. The fact that you need to cheat to win. I know it's fake, but also
Duh,
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like
is
it.
it
I don't
AI?
like.
Is it?
That pisses me off. Pope Leo, you know what you're doing. And everyone was saying that win was miraculous. I'm just saying that win was miraculous. No, it wasn't. The Packers beat themselves. I will not give Chicago credit. If you earn my respect, I'll give it to you. But I can't give you that because you didn't earn this win. And Romeo Dobbs in that onside kick, first of all, my head is gonna blow up. The botched snap, so many missed coverages. And here's the thing. These were technical errors. Matt, you are not on my shit list. I was very happy and impressed with you during that game, Matt. I really was. Thank you. Unfortunately, Jordan did go out in the second quarter, but Malik, like I said, if there's one thing we know how to do in Green Bay, it's develop Hall of Fame franchise quarterbacks.
That is correct.
So yeah, this loss hurt. This loss was so heartbreaking, more heartbreaking than the Broncos loss. I needed time. It was rough. I was very upset about it. I was mad at us. I was mad at the team. I was mad at how badly we blew it because there's no reason that Chicago should have won that game. No reason.
Yeah.
At halftime, I said, oh, we're good.
Yeah, and there's no sting like losing to a divisional rival.
In a huge
There's no
rivalry
sting.
game. In a huge rivalry game. So
I need to know, Maddie, are you the type, like, were you so upset that you avoided social media? Because, like, if it's a really bad loss, like after the Ravens just completely blew out the Bengals, I was like, all right, I'm going to avoid Instagram for at least the next couple hours.
no, I didn't avoid social media. I mean, I was liking things and reposting things that I agreed with that were relevant. I wasn't going and making angry comments on things, but I was looking at what everyone was saying. I was looking at the memes. I was reposting, things. I mean, I even posted my own photos and videos from that night out at the bar that I was at. So
Yeah.
I owned it. I owned that our team messed this up badly. Like we have discussed many times on this podcast, Jenna, I have a lot of Chicago fans in my life. They are relentless. However, I'm
so were
also
you.
relentless. Yes, thank you. However, I am also relentless. So I kind of just got to take it. I can't dish it and then not take it, So I'm very sad. The past couple of days have been very sad. Jordan and Malik both being hurt. They did practice today in limited capacity. They both did practice today. So there is hope yet. And honestly, congratulations to the Bears. I know that beating us at Soldier Field is your Super Bowl, so we'll let you have this. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the playoffs. And then Packers are putting belt to ass. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Case closed.
Case closed. Now that I have successfully aired my grievances and gotten it all out, I can move forward. The Bears still suck. The Bears still suck. But I feel like my spirit can lighten. Thank you. Okay, that's better. Now that I'm out of my funeral clothes and into
Very festive
holiday spirit with the flannel. We're feeling very wintry Christmas vibes today. It's time to get into our very special segment this Christmas week. Hot or not? What do we have up first, Jenna?
I am so excited to share with you that the first trailer for The Odyssey dropped. And that, my friends, is hot.
Oh,
it is.
It is.
Are you a Nolan fan?
Yes, it's going to be an insane movie.
Maddie?
It is going to be an
just found out a
insane
tidbit
movie.
about Christopher Nolan that I did not know. Did you know that he is red-green colorblind?
No.
Yes. That's it. Like, think about his movies right now. If you just roll through them, they're usually yellow, blue, and neutrals. He's red-green colorblind. Which makes him even
That's
more
hysterical.
impressive. Somehow he uses it as a superpower, and his films, you can tell a Nolan film. You're just like, oh, this is Christopher Nolan. Like, this is who this is. Yeah, so he's red-green colorblind.
I love that. I did not know that. You just randomly found this out?
Uh-huh. Yes, I did.
Isn't that the same as, like, dogs? Don't dogs and cats only see blue and yellow? Wait, I actually genuinely...
Yeah.
Because Bluey.
That's why we love Christopher Nolan so much. He gives Golden Retriever vibes. That's what it is.
Oh, man. That is really...
Yes.
Yeah, that's an interesting
That trailer
tidbit.
dropped. It looks absolutely incredible. A bunch of like history buffs are like, oh, that armor is not for the times. That's not Greek armor. And guys, this is a fake story.
Cry me a
There's
river.
a Cyclops.
Cry me a river. It's mythology, bro.
I want it to look like a 300 Batman, okay? Shut up.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this cast. There's not a single name on there that I'm like, don't know about that. Love.
Yes. Mm-hmm. We should go see that together. We should figure out how to do that.
Down. So when does it come out?
Next summer.
Guess where I'll be living, Jenna?
Nashville.
Crazy. We're definitely going to go see that. We're definitely going to go see that.
What's next up on our list, Maddie?
Speaking of casts, Bowen Yang leaving SNL. Bowen Yang's last episode of SNL. Not hot.
Not hot.
Not hot. Not because he isn't amazing and the episode wasn't amazing and his farewell skit monologue wasn't amazing. Bowen Yang is a national treasure. I'm so obsessed with him. I love everything that he's done. I love him on SNL. It's not going to be the same without him. The episode was fantastic, and I'm very, very sad to see him leave.
Okay, do we know why? Listen, I'm not an SNL girly at all.
Are you really not?
Yeah, I don't even know who that is. I don't know who that
What?
is. Not an SNL girly at all. Why is he leaving? What's the deal there?
He just left to pursue other opportunities. You know what I
Okay.
mean? I mean, they tried to get him to stay. I'm pretty positive. I don't see why they would want him to leave. But at a certain point, you know, he's been getting other opportunities. He's been approached for other opportunities. Obviously, he was in the Wicked movies. He is a national treasure and so funny and so great. He's going to do amazing things as an actor and he's going to get some great roles. So it makes sense that they leave after a certain amount of time. I mean, you can't stay at one thing forever anyways. Right. But, so sad to see him leave because he's my favorite on that cast.
I feel like that's a hot and not hot. It's like not hot you're leaving, but hot you're pursuing your dreams.
Right. Like hot that we're going to see you in other things, but not hot.
Yes.
Fly high.
Fly high.
R.I.P.
Speaking of SNL, this is a good segue.
Okay.
Because our girlie was just on SNL. The Seth Meyers and Sabrina Carpenter go day drinking segment. I was dying.
Phenomenal.
Watching
I
this was
love
so
them
hot, by
so
the way.
much together. Yes, this
So
is
hot.
so hot. I love them, that duo together, because this
Yes.
isn't the first time they've done segments like this together. So funny.
Yes, if we can encourage you all to go watch this segment, it is so funny. The whole premise is they're asking each other slightly uncomfortable questions, and it's like, if you don't answer this, you have to take a giant sip of this Long Island iced tea. And it's like a fish bowl of a Long Island iced tea in front of them. You know, he asks Sabrina, who did you write Man-Child about? I'm not going to tell you all what she says. Go watch it. It's funny.
You have to watch
and
it.
Then she turns around and asks him, I was just on SNL, which skit was the least funny? And he has to answer it or drink. Not going to tell you what he does. Go watch it. But that skit, that whole segment, hot, hot, hot. Love you both.
So funny. Love Sabrina. Love Seth. I'm obsessed with it. You guys have to go watch it because, oh, too funny. And we love her. Next up, we're taking a turn. Things we don't love as much. DK Metcalf getting into an altercation with a Lions fan. Not hot, DK.
Not hot.
Not hot. Punching this fan. And what did he? He like grabbed his shirt and then went to go throw the punch. I don't know what it is, but if you know DK Metcalf, this doesn't really come as a surprise to you, which is crazy to even say that about an NFL player who makes millions of dollars. That you can't. It's just
he has
insane.
a pattern of this behavior.
Yes, he has a pattern of loser behavior, aggressive, loser, sore sport behavior. So it's not surprising. It's just messy.
The story is still unfolding because he claims the man called his mother the C word and that he called DK the N word.
Yes,
so
but then video evidence coming out is showing that that's maybe not the actual story.
The guy did hire an attorney and say that he categorically denies, and he should. I would be suing DK for defamation or whatever, like for anything, because that could ruin his life saying that you called someone that.
Defamation, but also the assault.
Maddie,
how much is he getting paid?
I would have fallen over the railing, flung myself over
if
the
DK
railing.
Metcalf punched me at a game, I would never work again. I will tell you that.
I would have flung myself over the railing.
Absolutely. And again, it's still under investigation. It's still unfolding. We don't know. Idea. Everyone around that fan so far that's come out about the incident has said nothing like that ever got said.
Yes. He's saying that he called DK by his full name, and that's why DK was mad. So, all the fans,
which, if that's the case,
I cannot say that.
Yes, which, if that's the case, dude, you can't keep behaving like this, DK. You can't keep doing stuff like this. Like, a pattern of loser behavior is crazy. I don't think that someone would be stupid enough right there on the front lines, like it's war, right there, right there in the front of the stands where the cameras can see you. You're right in there in all the action. I highly, highly, highly doubt that anyone would be that stupid to say those kinds of things where any cameras, any surrounding people, anything like that could pick it up and ruin your life with it just to heckle somebody. There has to be a different story there, because
you would think DK would be smart enough to not do that where cameras could see it and people could see it and da-da-da-da. And I'm like,
no.
My guy.
Like, how can you not handle people having opinions about you? You are in the public eye. You are an athlete. You probably have tons of people hating and loving you every day. And you can't, like, come on. You need media training and anger management training.
Anger management, like Andy from The Office.
Yeah. Speaking of getting your jaw broken and punched in the face, Jake Paul getting his shit rocked.
I'm actually so
hot. I'm sorry. That's such a hater thing to say. Not that you got your jaw broken. Ouch. I'm sure that is going to suck to recover. It happens in those fights, though. It happens. But the fact that you got knocked out and you lost and you got just like so wrecked, I just love it. Jake Paul is such an unlikable person.
Why did you fight someone that was that much bigger than you?
Because he doesn't take the sport seriously. It's all for money. This is the thing.
Like, that's kind of where I was like, oh, once I figured out how much bigger Anthony was, he's like 6'6", 243. and Jake is
and
like
a better
6'1",
fighter. Yeah.
210.
And just a better
I was just
fighter.
like, why would you like the reach alone, seeing them stand next to each other? I'm like, this isn't MMA where there's wrestling or kickboxing and you can kind of find your leverage even if one is taller than the other. Like, you all are boxing. Reach matters here.
And
What
that's
is
the thing,
happening?
because Jake Paul is not a boxer. He's an influencer who does things for shock value and does things for money, and he doesn't take the sport seriously, and he gets paid no matter what. He made 93 million to just show up and get a shit
Did you
rocked.
see what he said after he posted his x-rays?
What?
He posted his x-rays and it looked brutal, by the way. I was just
Yeah.
like, dear Lord. It looks like he's going to have his freaking jaw wired shut.
Oh, for sure.
He posted the picture of his x-rays and then tweeted, give me Canelo in 10 days. Jake,
Like, it's not funny. It's not funny. It's not cute. It's
Jake.
not like actual boxers and actual MMA fighters. Like, they take this seriously and they treat it as an art and a very intense sport with discipline and all this other stuff. For him, it's just another day at the office. He collects no matter what. He puts on a performance. It's just the influencer games for him.
you heard it here first. Jake Paul getting his jaw broke is hot.
You suck.
Speaking of hits, we're trying to be unbiased around here. We're really trying. We each took
Are
off
we?
the team and did an unbiased take
Are
this
we?
time.
What was your unbiased take?
You'll have to wait, but we're complimenting a divisional rival here. It's on the hot, so that took everything in me to compliment that person.
Do we have to be unbiased, though?
Maddie, we have to try
This is our podcast, Jenna. We can say whatever we want.
on journalism for journalism. Okay, speaking of hits, Keyshawn Nixon took a really cheap shot at DJ Moore, but as we know, I'm sorry to say this, Maddie, ball never lies. Karma, he ended up catching that touchdown pass on Keyshawn Nixon in overtime. DJ Moore was like, yeah, okay.
Which, listen, no, you're correct. If we think back to 2 weeks ago in the Packers versus Bears game, Luther Burden, with the way that he choked at Keyshawn Nixon, and he took that shot at Keyshawn Nixon that was not penalized. Thank you so much. But then Keyshawn Nixon caught the game-winning interception. Yes, similar situation here. Yep. What goes around comes around. I already have a problem with Keyshawn for many other reasons, but this too, I was just like, dude, come on, what are we doing? Because he messed up.
Whoever was behind him, I think it was jersey 20. I don't know who that is. He was like literally a Packers player. He's like, what are you doing, bro?
Yeah.
He saw Keyshawn do that and just mow down DJ Moore. And he just like does the little hello.
I really wish that Keyshawn would have talked to the media after that. Already for so many issues, his penalties, him getting burned every chance that he can. You either commit to the interception or you commit to the tackle. His just everything that he has been messing up lately. I'm Keyshawn's on my shit list. Okay, right.
He's definitely on not hot.
He's definitely not hot. But you're correct. Yes, because then DJ Moore got his revenge with the game-winning touchdown.
Ball doesn't lie.
Which pains me to say, because yes, you're correct. And that happened in the other Bears-Packers game. Yeah. So yes, Keyshawn Nixon, that hit on DJ Moore, not hot. Okay, cheap hit. Sure. I understand. I will admit to that. But let's not pretend that the Bears players didn't also deliver some cheap hits. Okay? That's all I'm going to say.
We're going to leave it at that. And now
the way
do my part
the way
and compliment a Steelers player.
Yeah, exactly. The way that you said all that, I was just like,
I'm going to try to compliment a Steelers player.
I just had to admit that was a dirty hit, a cheap hit. And I had to admit at the beginning that we lost the game. We can both do it. I know we're trying to be unbiased. I'm just saying we don't have to be all the time.
Kenneth Gainwell, that catch. Great job.
How did that taste coming out of your mouth, Jenna? How did that taste?
Like Diet Coke backwash.
Okay, that's what I thought. But we have to be unbiased, honestly, for journalism.
Listen, that was an absolutely insane catch.
It was.
It is what it is.
It was a hot catch. It was hot.
I mean, it was so insane. Running back, by the way, not a wide receiver. He's like falling down. I'll find the clip and put it up. Pass goes up. It's coming to him. He's falling down. Somehow gets it up with one hand. Doesn't let it touch the ground. Pulls it in.
It was
inbounds.
Crazy. It was
catch.
crazy.
Like that was, you know what, Kenneth, hats off, man.
There's nothing I love more than a running back with receiving upside. I will tell you that.
Oh my gosh. Preaching to the choir.
So impressive and versatile.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Love to see it.
Yes. 100%. 10,000% agree.
And that hurt Jenna a lot to have to say that. So
I vomited a little bit.
good for you. You did it. We're unbiased for the sake
We
of
did it.
journalism.
We did it.
Did we?
We did our best.
True. We did our
our
best.
best.
Listen, like I said at the beginning, earn my respect and I'll give it to you. It's not that hard. Thanks.
Same.
Same.
Maddie, for our next one, I'm being so brave again. Being so brave. Cooper Flag, you came from Duke. And as a UAK fan, that is...
It's hard to say, but say it.
But you know what? Young man, you are ballin'.
Hot.
And you are hot, okay?
Hot.
Cooper Flag, youngest player in NBA history to score 40-plus points in a game. 18 years old.
So
and scored
impressive.
42 points. You
So
are
impressive.
insane. And you can tell by all of the hate this young man is getting that he's going to be a problem in the league. That's how you know how good he's going to be, is because everybody's such a hater.
Oh, he is going to be an absolute baller. I mean, the fact that he's playing this well, this young, means he is going to be Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant status.
And he just had a birthday. Happy birthday, Coop.
Happy
birthday.
birthday,
He's now
Coop.
19. It was just like a couple days before his 19th birthday that he did that. Happy birthday, Coop.
Dang, he has got an
Mm-hmm.
explosive career ahead of him.
Yes, he does.
If
And I
he
hope it's a
can
great one.
just be smart.
Yeah. Even
Don't
though
do
you played
anything
for Duke-
stupid.
Even though you played for Duke, which is stupid.
Jenna said strike one.
Strike one, you played for Duke. That was already stupid. But hoping for a great rest of your career, Cooper Flag. He dethroned LeBron. The previous holder of that was LeBron James.
No. Wow.
Yeah.
That's insane. Listen, I like LeBron a lot, okay? But LeBron, you might need to hang it up.
I couldn't dislike LeBron more than I do. There's no more dislike in my body for LeBron James. Anytime LeBron
I love to hear it.
Anytime he hits the court, I just think of that clip of him laying on the floor and he's like this and he starts peeking his eyes up to see if the ref's looking. You're so embarrassing. He's so embarrassing. He's an embarrassing human being. That's what I
Oh my
think
God,
of
it's
LeBron.
so funny. He's so
Embarrassing
funny.
human being. He made
Wow.
flopping what it is in the NBA.
Is that the only reason you don't like him? Or are there more?
Yeah, I don't like him as I don't like him as a human being, and I don't like him as a basketball player. I don't respect him as a basketball player, and I don't like him as a human being. I think he's just kind of
Wow.
a turd.
I think he's a
don't like
great player. I think he's a baller.
I think he's a flopper. I think he's flop master.
Get him in the NFL and see how he does with that anti-flop rule, okay?
Yeah, I think he's flop master, like a flop master fresh. Like I literally can't stand it. I think it's
I'm
so weak.
dead.
I don't like it. I think it muddies his talent when you do stuff
Oh,
like that.
that
I
is a
think it
good point.
stains it. I think it dirties it. I don't respect it. I don't.
That is a
respect it
good
at all.
point because
He's
we were just talking about players with cheap hits, bad hits, things like that. So yeah, correct. Loser behavior
MJ
can
and
kind of
Kobe
ruin your
would
credibility.
never.
Never.
Okay? MJ would have never. Kobe would have never. Like,
And it's
no.
hard. And it is hard for me to even compliment Michael Jordan, Mr. Chicago Bulls over here, the way that I am as a Milwaukee
MJ's
girl.
MJ.
But MJ is MJ. You cannot touch Michael Jordan, literally ever.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, his performance in Space Jam, give him an Oscar.
Hello?
Give him an Oscar.
Iconic.
Give him an Oscar.
Never been done before.
Never been. Such an original idea. Such an original thought. Speaking of absolute flop, last up we have the weather in general for Christmas time. Not hot.
Maddie, I am so upset because I'm pretty sure I sent you a video just last week I had the most beautiful, icy, snowy, looked like diamonds falling from the sky.
Stunning.
Snowstorm. It
Stunning.
was so beautiful. It was stunning. Inches of white perfect snow, diamond sparkling all over the ground. Now it is 60 degrees and raining. I could have had white Christmas. Thanks, global warming.
Thank you. Thank you, climate change. I really appreciate it. Same here in Dallas. All last week, it was cold and I was bundled up and I loved the cold. I said, yes, give me the cold weather. I did not think that there was going to be really a chance of any snow flurries or icing here. Sometimes we get like a day or two of frozen ice. Yeah, a little bit of snow. I didn't really think that we would get that this year, but at least I was happy that it was cold. Now, this entire week, it is the high 70s, but it's partly cloudy and like almost a little muggy. And I'm just like, this is not,
no.
this is not Christmas time.
This is not Christmas weather.
This is
No.
not Christmas time. And maybe that's part of the reason I've had such a hard time getting into the holly jolly spirit, because it just doesn't feel how it should feel for Christmas.
Because it's not a white Christmas.
I would rather, even if it was raining and cloudy, as long as it was cold. For me, I just want it to be cold. I want to wear my sweaters and bundle up and put the fireplace on.
100%. I could not agree more.
Yeah.
Christmas is cold. You hear me?
Christmas should be cold. December, Dallas, Kentucky, not cold.
Moving on into our next segment. It is time for the hot list.
Hot list. So let's go. We have a stacked hot list too.
Oh, stacked. And as always, we're going to start at the very bottom. Ice cold. Jake Elliott.
My guy.
Kicker for the Eagles. 1 fantasy point. 1 point fantasy, okay? He did make all
One
3 of his extra
fantasy
points.
point.
Okay, he did make all 3 of his extra points.
However,
3 missed field goals.
yeah.
First one was a 57-yard attempt that was negated by a Washington penalty. Second was a 43-yard field goal attempt wide left. Third was a 52-yard attempt wide left. I mean, they were trying to do like 2-point conversions at one point. They were like, don't let Jake kick.
No,
Don't.
literally. We have no faith in him. That's why we're going for the 2 point.
I think this is a one-off for Jake Elliott. I don't imagine this being
No.
like, this new normal or
Yeah,
anything.
I think this is a one-off, but I just think after the second miss, I think by the third miss, at some point you got to just be in your head a little bit. I mean,
it's like, I gotta call it. Today's not my day.
yeah. So rough, Jake. Rough for you. Hopefully you can have a better chance to redeem yourself next game.
Yeah, you got 2 more games. 2 more games.
You can do it. I believe in you. Moving into lukewarm. You were there, but did you really contribute? Did you do anything noteworthy or notable?
No.
And this week, This week, our lukewarm goes to Trey McBride. Sad. Tight end for the Cardinals. Which is sad for me because I usually have a lot of faith in Trey McBride. One of my fantasy teams is named McBridezilla for you, Trey.
I like that.
Not that it matters because I'm out of playoffs in all my fantasy leagues, but
You're still clever, though.
I'm still clever. You can't take that from me. Trey McBride put up 6.7 fantasy points, 4 out of 8 targets that he received, 27 yards total and 0 touchdowns. That's just, it's just stale. It's stale.
It's nothing.
Yeah, that's nothing. That's a really stale, stagnant game for you, Trey.
Yeah.
I don't even know what happened there. He probably, I mean, how
like
many
you didn't
snaps did he
drop-
even play?
It's like you didn't drop all your passes and you didn't fumble anything, but like, woof.
Yeah. 27
that?
yards, 27 yards.
What was that?
Yeah, no, I 100% agree. What even was that? Sad.
Next, we have 2 players for cooking. First up, Chase Brown, running back for the Bengals. A game. 32.9 fantasy points, 4 for 4 targets, 109 yards, 3 touchdowns, all in the third quarter.
He said rent is due.
Let's get it wrapped up. Third quarter. One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Rent is due. I got a show out right now.
3 touchdowns in 1 quarter is actually insane.
So good. Yeah,
I feel like
on
it's
it.
just
So
rare to
on
get
it.
touchdowns in the NFL anyways. And he said, you know what? Let's run it up.
And for
3 in 1
all
quarter,
and
please.
for all of his targets too,
Yeah.
which is insane.
Chase Brown, legacy game.
All those
For
touches.
sure.
Yeah, all those touches. He said, "Okay, bet I got you. I'll give
got
you
it.
over 100 yards. Yeah, no problem." Love that. Our second one on cooking is none other than CMC himself. Good old
love to see
Christian
it.
McCaffrey. We got 2 running backs here. That's crazy. 2 running backs for cooking. Running back for the 49ers. Christian put up 32.6 fantasy points, 6 for 8 touches, 146 yards, 2 touchdowns.
He played a great game.
He played a really good game. He was so
As he
versatile in
usually
this
does.
game. No, as he usually does, but this game in particular, he was so versatile.
Yeah.
And the routes that he ran this game, beautiful.
Perfection.
Beautiful.
Perfection. I'm pretty sure I saw a stat that he is averaging like 119 yards per game.
That's crazy.
It's like 3rd all time in NFL history or something like that.
And it's just so easy for him. It's so easy for the guy.
He
It's
does.
so
He
effortless.
makes it look really easy.
He does. He makes it look so easy. And
He makes it
bonus
look like I'm
points.
sitting there-
Bonus points for having literally the hottest wife and the cutest family ever.
Yeah, 100%. I
Bonus
literally just
points.
watch him and I'm like, I could do that.
Yeah, you make it feel like I could do that. CMC, thank you so
Literally.
much. It's just like so easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he definitely was cooking this week. Him and Chase Brown both. You absolutely deserve the slot of cooking this week. Keep it up. I mean, CMC, we know that you'll keep it up. Remember when everyone at the beginning of the season was like, we're so worried about CMC because he can't stay healthy?
Oh, yeah, 'cause of his
LOL.
Achilles. Yeah, the inflammation
LOL.
in his Achilles.
Yeah, he
I
had
think it was more
tendinitis.
so like-
Tendinitis in both.
Yes. Yeah, I think it was more so like a please don't tear your Achilles.
Yeah. Please stay healthy.
Please don't let that happen.
Thank you. Moving into smoking hot, we've got none other than, I mean, what is even a way to describe him other than just golden boy of the NFL, popular kid at school,
Perfection.
perfection, Justin Herbert. I mean,
I love Herbie.
you're dating Madison Beer. You can't get any more popular guy, golden boy, boy next door
Honestly,
than Justin Herbert.
White Boy of the Year candidate.
White Boy of the Year candidate for sure, and Josh Allen, because we did say Josh Allen gives very good old American boy next door.
Yes.
Justin Herbert gives more like the cool, suave surfer boy next door.
100%.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
giving
yeah.
Cali vibes. For
They
sure.
give it in different ways. For sure. Justin put up 30.2 fantasy points, had 342 passing yards, 3 touchdowns, 0 interceptions, 23 completions out of 29 attempts. That's a 79.3% completion rating, 132.8 passer rating.
Maddie. The completion percentage.
What? Mind
23 of
blowing.
29. I was like, Justin.
Mind
doing?
blowing. And for everyone listening who maybe doesn't know what these numbers quite mean, what do they say in the NFL, which is usually like a good, solid, strong passer rating, like 65%? Or I mean completion rate. Yeah, I mean completion. Yeah. Like anything, 60%, 65%, like that's considered strong. 79.3% completions.
My jaw was on the floor when I saw that.
Insane. That is an insane performance from Herbie, and we
Yes.
love to see it.
Okay, it's time to crown our hottie of the week, Mads. Who's it going to be?
Who's it going to be?
Drum roll, please. Our hottie of the week is Puka Nacua.
Puka had a game.
He had a game, and I have him on my fantasy team. He put up 46.5 fantasy points, 12 of
Dang.
16 targets, 225 yards, 2 touchdowns.
I mean, and he was top ranked for the whole week, wasn't he?
Yes. Fantasy leader. Puka.
Incredible.
What's going on?
Um,
I mean,
he truly is just a machine. He just turns it on.
225 yards. You had more yards than quarterbacks did.
Yeah. Yeah. Insane. He had such a great game. He popped off. He locked in. He usually always knows when he needs to lock in and get it done.
And Tay was out. So, yeah.
Which I love Tay. I love Tay. So, of course, naturally he's going to see more volume with Tay being out. But even still, incredible game. He absolutely deserves Hottie of the Week. Puka, you put up crazy numbers. So
you know how to ball.
Keep it up because you know how to ball. And before we move on, breaking news, by the way, is our curse over?
That's right.
Because Kyle Pitts.
He had a great game.
I mean, he had a good game. I wouldn't say he had a great game.
He had above what he was projected to get.
True. Not as good
if you
as
score
last
above
week.
What you're projected to get.
That's a great game. We broke the curse. Kyle Pitts
Kyle Pitts, if you're seeing this, you broke our curse.
No, actually insane. Kyle Pitts, of all people, who would have thunk that Kyle Pitts would be the one to break our curse of Hottie of the Week? So we'll see if that was a fluke. We'll see if the curse is really broken with Puka going into this next game. Or we'll see if Kyle Pitts is just immune to our powers. We'll see.
True.
Because
he could have immunity.
I did say last week in the pod, if you would have told me at the beginning of September that Kyle Pitts would have his legacy game with those numbers, I would have laughed at you. Against Tampa Bay, I would have laughed at you. So Kyle Pitts might be immune, but we'll see going forward. And congratulations on not letting the curse affect you. Love it. Love to see it. Moving into our next segment, snap judgments with the snaps, as always. This one is a little different and maybe a little controversial. Our snap judgment this week, everybody, I recommend that you take a seat for this.
Yes. This is going to stir up some emotions.
This is going to stir up some drama. Doing your makeup before your hair is the correct order of operations, and we said what we said.
10 toes down on it. And I even have scientific evidence to back this up.
Oh, of course you do. Lay it on me.
You need to get your foundation back into your hairline, your ears, and your neck. You need to get your bronzer back into your hairline around your ears and down your neck. How do you do that when your hair's done? When your hair is done first, what are you going to do? Mess up your bangs? If you don't have bangs, what are you doing? Messing up your hairline? You're messing up all of your hair. Now, whatever you have done to around your face, you're messing it up, swirling if you're doing your makeup correctly. Now you're swirling bronzer.
If you're blending correctly.
If you're blending, my girlies who blend know makeup before hair. Now, the only caveat is if you're going to put rollers in, if you've got rollers in, obviously hair before makeup because you're letting the roller set as you're doing your makeup.
Yes, you do the makeup while your hair is setting.
Correct. That's the only caveat there.
That's interesting that you brought up the scientific evidence behind it as that being the correct reason. For me personally, I always do my makeup before my hair because if I run out of time, I can throw my hair up and still make it cute and not need to have it done. I would rather have my makeup be done if I run out of time rather than my hair. That's why I do it.
More scientific evidence.
That's why I do it. Because girly could just throw up a messy bun and let the strands down in the front and I'm done as long as the makeup's done.
The evidence is piling up, actually.
The evidence is piling up. I would rather have makeup be done and run out of time to do my hair. That's all I'm saying.
I 100% agree. And that is our snap judgment.
That is our snap judgment.
Makeup goes before the hair.
Moving into our next segment, Jenna and I's favorite segment of the entire pod. It is prediction time. Oh, we love predictions. And we love our accuracy this week even more. Let me tell you, we bounced back in a huge way. As you guys know, our accuracy percentages the last 2 weeks have been not good because we did gloat about how great our accuracy was. And then we had 2 bad weeks. And now we're back, baby. We are back. Better than ever. So my prediction accuracy for this week was 75%. And Jenna's is 81%, which again, because Jenna and I went opposite on Jags and Broncos, which was a great game.
Yes, it was.
Really good game. You
Such a good
definitely,
game.
yes, you, such a good game. You definitely called that with the Jags. So that's where our prediction accuracies are standing as of right now. So we will be putting just as much effort and logistics and tact into the next slate of games this upcoming week. Jenna, why don't you take us into our slate and we'll get right into it?
I'd love to. We have
I'd love to.
I'd love to. We
Say
have
less.
3. Yeah, literally. We have 3 Thursday games. I'm so excited about this. The first one, Cowboys at Commanders.
I will be taking Dallas here.
I am also going to be taking the Cowboys. I think they're due a bounce back game.
Though Dallas is favored by 7 here, this pick for me is not a lock, especially when you consider that Washington-Philadelphia game was way closer than I wanted it to be.
Yes. This is not a 7-point
Yeah,
for
this
me.
is not a lock for
pick 'em
sure.
for me.
Yep.
Honestly, and I'm just going with Dallas.
And even though Dallas isn't great with away games, I definitely still think they can pull this out.
Yeah. Next, we've got Detroit at Minnesota. I'm going to go with Detroit. I'm going with the Lions.
I'm absolutely going with Detroit here. JJ is out with a hairline fracture.
Oof.
Yeah, just got that notification today. So Max Brosmer will be
What a shame,
playing.
9. What a shame.
What a shame. And even though I need the Lions to lose if the Packers don't win just to help playoff chances, Detroit, I absolutely think will be winning this for sure.
Yeah. They're also due a bounce back after. Or no, did they win? No, wait. No, they
No,
didn't.
Steelers won. But
That's right.
they
right, yeah.
they played well. They played really well. Yeah.
I think the Steelers defense punched them in the mouth.
Yes. Yes, they
And-
did, but they did well. They did well.
Yeah.
Great callback.
Okay.
Great tie-in.
Next game, we've got Broncos at Chiefs. The Broncos will be winning this game.
Yeah, in a horrific manner. Yes, they will.
Yeah. What's the spread on that?
13.5.
Yeah, there it is. There it is.
There it is.
That'll do it. That'll do it. Next, we've got 2 Saturday games. The first one is Houston at LA. So Texans versus Chargers. Wow. Whew. I think
know.
I'm going to Chargers. I'm going to do home team.
I will also take Chargers here. The spread is 2.5. I know Houston's defense shows up.
Is a problem.
Is a problem, and Justin
line is in shambles.
exactly the Chargers O-line is a problem in a different way than the Houston's defense is a problem. Houston's defense is a good problem, is a menace to society.
Chargers O-line is a bad problem.
Yeah, so will Justin be able to?
I think he'll be able to rally the troops.
Yeah, I think they will at home. I think he will. Yeah, I think we're gonna go Chargers here.
All right. The last game on Saturday is Baltimore at Green Bay. I am going Green Bay.
Yeah, we're going Green Bay.
hope
I know you would never
steamroll the Ravens.
I know you would never pick the Ravens, first of all.
Never.
And also, Lammy is ruled out, so Tyler Huntley will be starting
That
and
was
playing.
sad.
Yeah, that was.
Lamar, I really do hope that you have a quick recovery. I feel like you've struggled this season to stay healthy, and that just sucks.
Come into Lambeau, Tyler Huntley, and Packers will show you what's up. So absolutely taking the Pack here.
Sunday games, 1:00 slate. Steelers at Browns. I'll be taking the Browns, even
Which is
though I know the
crazy
Steelers are
because I
gonna
do.
win
Yeah, I think that this is crazy for you because you don't want to pick either of these teams. So
for life.
I understand. I will be taking Steelers on this one.
It's like, what was the last game where you were like, I'm not going to pick the Bears, even though you knew they were?
Oh
gonna
yeah. Oh, it was
win.
it was Bears Browns, wasn't it?
Yeah, and you knew the
I
Bears
knew.
were going to clear that.
I know, but it's just I'm not throwing you a bone. No, get out of here.
You know
So
what?
yes, I do feel
Shadur,
it for
let's
you.
do it.
I do.
Let's do
Shadur, let's see. Will this be the upset of the week? Shadur versus Old Man Rodgers.
He could do it. I believe in you.
He could do it.
Okay, next we've got Seahawks at Panthers. I'm going to be taking Seattle. Even though I think the Panthers are having a pretty solid season, I still think Seattle is just a different tier.
Yeah, Hawks are ahead above for sure. I definitely am taking Seattle here. Spread is 7.5.
Next, we've got the Battle of Mid, Saints at Titans.
put that on a t-shirt. That was iconic. The battle of mid.
It's like two mid teams. They're gonna be duking it out. So it's not like one is really expected to steamroll the other here.
But it's like, are
I
they
do
going to
think the
be
Saints are
duking
gonna
it
pull
out, or is it going to be so boring to watch?
They're gonna be slap fighting.
There could be a little kick here or there. Probably lots of kicking, honestly. Yeah, I'm going to take Saints here just because Tyler Shuck is so versatile. Even though the Titans did just win their last game at home, I do still think I'm going to take Saints. Spread is NOLA by 2.5.
Next, we've got Patriots at Jets. Maddie, don't you dare. We're picking the Patriots.
I love how you preemptively wanted to get in front of me.
No. I don't care that it's Christmas and their color is green.
No, we're taking Drake May. You know, I'm always riding with Drake May. The spread on this is New England by 13.5. Jets, you had your chance. You failed me. Drake May is my guy. Thank you. That's it.
Next, I expect a bounce back for Bakey. We've got Tampa Bay at Miami. What the heck is going on in Miami right now? What is happening with their quarterback room? Tampa Bay is going to win this game.
Tampa Bay is absolutely going to win this game. You're so correct. Baker is due for a bounce back. I want to see Shake and Bake back in action. The spread is Tampa Bay by 5.5. So definitely a little bit more margin there than some of these other close games.
Okay, next we've got Jags at Colts. I'm going to be taking the Jags. I still just don't think this is going to be the game that Old Man Rivers is going to pull out. I think the Jags are too good.
I agree. I will be taking the Jags here and Trevor Lawrence, Sunshine. However, honorable mention, Old Man Rivers, because you're doing the damn thing. You really are.
You know what?
He had a game. Thank you.
Okay, next we've got Cards at Bengals. I'll be taking the Bengals.
I will too. Absolutely. You come on, Joey. You got us.
Next, Battle of Butt. Giants at Raiders.
This isn't even battle of mid. This is battle of ass right here.
However, will be taken Jackson.
Yes, I will be taking Jackson Dart. Yep, Ashton Genty had a game. Okay.
Yeah.
And the spread on this is close. The spread on this is Vegas by 1.5. I think solely because of home field advantage, but I definitely will still be riding with Jackson Dart here.
Next, we've got the game of the week. Eagles at Bills. I'm going to be taking the Bills.
Yes, me too. Taking Joshy. Yeah. You can do it. We believe in you.
Okay, closing out Sunday Night Football. Bears at Niners. Let's go 49ers. So hard.
That is absolutely right, Jenna.
So very
Was
hard.
there a doubt in your mind that I was going to pick the Bears for a second? It's fuck the Bears always. You know how I feel about this.
Was there a doubt in your mind that I was going to pick?
No, literally no. Brock is absolutely going to wipe the floor with the Bears at home, and I'm so excited.
Well, he's playing so well.
And his offense is locking the hell in just like the best way.
Close to making the hot list this week.
No,
I almost
he was very
smoking
good.
Hots and just had Justin Herbert and Brock Purdy because he put up such a game.
No, because he would, and not that his offense is ever not locked in, but like when they're healthy and when just all the parts are working together so well, Brock is just playing incredibly. 49ers will handle this, and I will watch every single second of it with the biggest smile on my face. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Wrapping up week 17. Monday Night Football, Rams at Falcons. The Rams will be winning this game.
I will be taking the Rams on this. The spread is Rams by 7.5. They are absolutely playing ball right now. I mean,
that's a Super Bowl team right there.
That's a Super Bowl team right there. And you look at that game against Seattle. I mean, that was a playoff game right there, down to the wire, down to the minute, and they're absolutely cooking. So yes, it's the Rams for me.
Fun little question, Maddie. Mm-hmm. If you had to pick right now.
Oh, God.
Super Bowl matchup.
Steelers, Packers. I know, I'm so sorry. I hate to do it to you.
I hate that so much. But you know what? Actually, just let the Packers run right over the Steelers, and then it's fine.
I just like it for the Aaron Rodgers lore, the Aaron Rodgers Packers lore. I just love it for that reason. But no, that's my biased answer. That's my biased answer.
That's fine.
Packers Steelers, because I think that would be great. Realistically, God, I probably Rams, but who else?
Bills.
Oh, Rams Bills would be good.
I think the Rams Bills or Niners Bills would be amazing.
I kind of want to see Trevor Lawrence in a Super Bowl.
Yeah, but I don't know if he's going to make it.
I
through all
know.
that.
I know. I'm looking at all
And
of
I don't
this
know
right
why.
now.
I don't know why.
Just
Like, why do I think the
historically,
Bills
just
are going
historically.
to- Yeah, probably. Yeah. Like, what's your January resume?
Yeah,
Josh
exactly.
has quite a January resume.
But also too, like look at Josh's history with like, can you get there?
I mean, he's had multiple AFC Championship game appearances, multiple divisional, multiple playoff appearances.
Right, but can you get there?
You know what? There's no Pat, there's no Joe.
True.
I think mine would be Bills, Rams, Bills win, and Rams lose because the Rams beat the Bengals in the Super Bowl. So that would be nice little
Revenge. Yeah. Wrapping up the episode, you know we got to go out on a quote of the week, which also coincidentally has kind of turned into the meme of the week, if you will, because I have seen it used multiple times now. Good old Aaron Rodgers, old man Rodgers. In
ayahuasca.
Ayahuasca
Rodgers.
In his post-game presser for this game against the Lions that just happened, when he was asked what was it like hearing the cheers turn to groans at the end of that game, because the refs kind of made all the Lions fans believe there for a second that they had won and then ripped it away. So hearing the cheers turn to groans from the stadium, and Aaron just said, hate to see it. And then didn't say anything else, and then just walked off the podium out of the presser with the hintest of a smirk on his face. Hate to see it. And then just kind of smirked and walked away. Iconic behavior from Aaron Rodgers. That made me laugh so hard. I mean, because deep down in his heart, Aaron Rodgers will always be a Packer. He's going to finish his career in Green Bay, and he will retire a Packer. So you know that win over Detroit was also a little bit of his NFC North heart being real happy.
You can't take the NFC North out of him.
You can't. So that little hate to see it with that smirk, so hilarious. And it's so simple, and it's such a mic drop moment, and it's such an Aaron Rodgers thing to say. I love it. I'm obsessed. Well, that wraps up another episode of Hottie Huddle Mic'd Up. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and Merry Christmas. Whenever you're seeing this, we hope you have a fantastic holiday. We know that we will, and we know that we'll enjoy some great football. We love doing this. This is so much fun, highlight of our week. So thank you for listening. It means the world. If you are not already, follow us everywhere at Hottie Huddle on all the platforms: Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube. Subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Hottie Huddle Mic'd Up. Find us in all the places. You can't escape us. We'll find you. If you have a suggestion for Hottie of the Week, or anyone that you think should be on the hot list, DM us on TikTok or Instagram. Let us know your thoughts. If you have a take for hot or not, if you have a snap judgment, if you have a quote of the week, anything that you want us to talk about, hit our line. We're open. Unless it's about the Steelers, the Ravens, or the Bears. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, no, we don't accept that. We don't accept hate mail.
Yeah, if you mention any of those teams to us in our inbox, delete. No. We're just kidding. We're unbiased. We're unbiased.
We are serious journalists.
We're serious journalists. So yes, even if it is about any of those things, hit our line, let us know. And we look forward to chatting with y'all next time. So huddle up and Hottie on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hottie.
Hottie.